Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I love homemade breads, and I've been baking them for a few decades. Probably the easiest one to make is Artisan Bread. With a lovely crispy crust and soft crumb, this easy and forgiving French recipe is suitable for beginners who wants to attempt bread making, and also pros who appreciate its texture. So let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add active dry yeast, lukewarm water between 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and honey, because yeast loves sweet. Now, to learn a cool trick when handling sticky ingredients, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll give a quick stir and let it proof for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, we'll combine bread flour and ground sea salt. Then we'll whisk these two ingredients for 1 minute before setting aside. Back to our stand mixer. As we can see, the yeast is alive. So we'll add our dry ingredients to it and, using the dough hook attachment, we'll process at first on low speed until somewhat blended before increasing to speed 3. We'll mix until the ingredients are nicely incorporated. When everything comes together, we'll increase to speed 4 and knead for just 1.5 minutes or until the dough clings around the hook. We don't want to do it too long and knock out the air, okay? Also, the dough will be quite sticky, and for this kind of bread, it's normal, so don't worry. Next, we'll transfer it to a large bowl lightly greased. See? Look at my hands. It's super sticky. We'll cover with plastic wrap, followed by a clean dish towel. I think I need to get new ones, right? Before transferring to a draft-free area, such as the oven with, of course, no temperature on. We'll let it rise for 2 hours or until it doubles in size. And we should have something similar to this. Beautiful. And it smells lovely. This is what I call life's little pleasures. Before going any further, we'll preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it gets there, we'll place a Dutch oven with the lid on and leave it there for 30 minutes. All right, back to our dough. So now, without punching the dough like we usually do when making bread, we'll tip it onto a floured work surface and let's not forget to flour our hands as well. Remember, the dough is very sticky. We'll sprinkle on about half a tablespoon of flour, and this is how we'll be doing that. Let me zoom in so you can see better. Here we go. We'll gently fold the dough in half. Then we'll take one side and fold it over. So far, you with me? We'll take another side and redo the same and keep folding until the dough is almost shaped into a big ball. Then we'll flip it and gently fold under. Here we have our ball. See, that was pretty easy. Next, we'll take some parchment paper, large enough so it entirely covers the inside of the Dutch oven, and sprinkle with a little bit of flour. We'll place the dough in the middle of it and cover with the same bowl that we used earlier for the rice. We'll proof it for 30 minutes as well. So, half an hour later, look at this. Nice and puffy. Using a sharp knife, we'll cut a slit to about 1/4 inch deep across the top of the dough. Next, we'll be extremely careful and remove the Dutch oven from the heat with oven mitts. It's insanely hot. And place the dough inside by lifting it with the parchment paper. We'll place the lid on and transfer the pot back to the oven. Still at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll bake for 30 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the lid and bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the top is golden brown. When it's done, we'll transfer the dough along with the parchment paper on a wire rack and allow it to cool completely before slicing. And my friends, this is our Artisan Bread. If you're a beginner at this, it's certainly a great introduction to bread recipes. It's easy to make with delicious results. Stuffed inside with a nice crispy crust, this is a French bread that I'm sure you'll enjoy baking often. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!